Hi guys, my name is Marcela and today I want to show you how to clean and organize your refrigerator. And before I get started, I wanted to ask you, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel so we can grow our community. In one of my first videos, I showed you how to clean and organize your refrigerator. But that was in my previous apartment. I had a completely different refrigerator. The other one was wide and a little bit shorter. And also I had the refrigerator at the bottom and the freezer on the top. This one is much more narrow, much more taller, and I have the refrigerator on the top and the freezer on the bottom. So with that said, the system that I had in my previous refrigerator doesn't really work in this one, especially because it's so high. So the other one, I had boxes like this. They were like a solid color so you couldn't see through, and that is exactly why I liked those, because I don't like to see like the messiness of what is inside. I like to like cover everything, so that gives you like the idea or like the sense of cleanness and also the organization. So these boxes don't really work, because if I put these boxes all the way in the top, I'm not going to be able to see exactly what it is inside. I don't know what I have. I don't know what I'm running low on. So I want to have the opportunity to see everything. So I'm going to switch these boxes for the traditional clear boxes so I can have the opportunity to see everything that I have. So our first step is going to be empty everything out, and as you know, I like to group things by like groups. For example, I put all of the juice together, all of the milk together, all of the spices together, and then fruits and vegetables, and another pile, I'm going to put everything, like all of the dairies. To clean the two drawers, it would be much easier if you actually take them out and also wash them in the sink, so that way you make sure that all of the little crevices are fully washed. And the trays that are on the door, you can also clean them, or you could also take them out, and if they're really dirty, it'll be easier for you to wash them on the sink with a little bit of soap and warm water, and you rinse them and put them back. So that way it's easier also to clean the back side of the door. And these are the drawers that I chose. These are like regular clear plastic drawers or boxes rather. And first thing I'm going to do, or the first thing that I did, is to kind of like design where I want to put my things. Remember that you don't have to go for the right position at the very beginning. You have to kind of like play around, so that way it'll tell you if that is the right place to put your things or not. If it doesn't work the first time, it'll work out the second time. So don't rush. And now we're going to see the final results and see how everything looks after cleaning and organizing. And I'm super happy with the results. You can see that everything is organized. I put all of the boxes with little labels, so I know exactly where everything goes. And not just me, but also someone else who may go to the supermarket, or anybody who take something so they know exactly where to put it back. So here I put all of the sweets, water, spices, yogurt, and I left these little spaces open and free so we can put all of the leftovers that I have in little containers, so I have space for those as well. And everything is labeled, and I think that's really, really important that you have everything labeled so everybody knows where everything goes. And that's it. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with all your friends. And I would love to hear from you now. I know that there are some fruits and vegetables that you're not supposed to put inside the refrigerator. And I would love to know which kind of fruits and vegetables you put and you don't put inside the refrigerator. Please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.